Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make crispy layered Sooji Nimkis. So let's get started. I've got here 2 cups of plain flour which I have sifted, half a cup of water, quarter cup of Sooji or Semolina, 5 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of carom seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric and some oil for frying. And for layering my nimkis, I've got here 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. The first thing we need to do is get the dough ready. Take your flour, add Sooji, cumin seeds, turmeric, crush your carom seeds in your palm and add it to the dish. Salt, garlic powder and chili powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Add 4 tablespoons of oil and save 1 tablespoon for later and mix it well by rubbing the oil and flour mixture together. Add water little by little and knead it into a soft dough. Rub remaining oil over the dough, cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rub some oil on the bench top, roll the dough into a log and break it into 6 equal sized pieces. Roll each piece into a bowl, flatten it and put it in a dish. Take 2 flattened balls at a time and cover the remaining dough to stop them from drying. Dip your finger in the oil and rub it on both sides of the flattened ball and roll it into a roti. And put it on a tray. Roll the second roti in the same way. To make the flour paste, take ghee, add corn flour and rice flour and mix it into a smooth paste. Take 1 roti, spread 1 teaspoon of flour paste on the top evenly using the back of a spoon. Use your finger to scrape any excess paste off. Place the second roti on top of the first roti and spread another teaspoon of flour paste on the top as well, scraping any excess paste off. Roll the 2 rotis upwards tightly until you reach the top. Now roll it up and down a few times, cut it into 2-inch thick pieces. For method 1, place the cut side up, flatten it lightly with your finger, apply some oil on the bench top and roll it into small puris by rolling it up and down twice and then rolling it sideways once. Put it on a tray and repeat this process. For method number 2, place the cut side facing the sides, press it down with your finger and roll it up and down twice and repeat this process. To fry the nimkis, place a wok or fry pan on low heat, add some oil and heat it for 5 minutes. Line a dish with some paper towel to absorb excess oil after frying. When the oil gets hot, add some nimkis and let it cook until it comes to the top. Turn them over and fry them until you get a light golden brown color, turning them frequently. Take them out, let the excess oil drip off and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this process. My layered Sooji Nimkis are ready. Cool them completely and store them in a sealed container for up to a month and serve them to family and friends. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.